Programming a Lexus remote, whether a key fob or smart key, involves pairing it with the vehicle's immobilizer system. This system uses transponders and radio frequency identification, or RFID, for authentication. There are two main types of keys. Traditional key fobs feature remote buttons for functions like lock and unlock. Smart keys provide proximity-based entry, allowing access without pressing buttons. The pairing process generally requires putting the vehicle into programming mode, often done by cycling the ignition multiple times within a specific time frame. Modern Lexus models utilize enhanced security protocols like 128-bit encryption and anti-scan technologies to prevent cloning. The process can be done manually for older models, via dealership tools like TechStream software, or through smartphone apps for newer models, allowing digital key pairing via Bluetooth or NFC. For example, programming a 2015-2020 Lexus ES typically involves inserting the key, turning the ignition to on with the engine off 4 times, then pressing a remote button to sync the key's unique ID with the car's engine control unit. Make sure the key is compatible, either OEM or programmed aftermarket, and the vehicle battery is charged. The automotive industry is shifting toward connectivity and digitalization, impacting Lexus remote programming. Smartphone integrated keys, like Apple's Car Key, simplify pairing. Biometric pairing using fingerprint or facial recognition is emerging in flagship models. By 2030, Lexus aims for all models to support digital-only access. However, cybersecurity risks are rising, necessitating encrypted pairing methods. For instance, the Lexus RX 2020-2025 allows app-based pairing via the Toyota app, taking only a couple of minutes. Older models like the Lexus ES 2007-2012 can be programmed manually by cycling the ignition and pressing the lock button. While DIY programming is accessible, professional help may be needed for complex systems. Experts warn of hacking risks, urging encrypted pairing. Check forums like Reddit's Ars Lexus for model-specific details.